It is my honor to welcome our graduates, parents, family, and friends to this graduation ceremony for Drexel's College of Engineering. With great appreciation, I also welcome the following honored guests: Ms. Kathleen Simicles, Drexel Board of Trustees; Mr. Stanley W. Silverman, Vice Chairman, Drexel Board of Trustees; Mr. Tony DePasquale, Chief Operations Division of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, the Philadelphia region; and Mr. Ken Goldberg, Deputy Chief, Operation Division, U.S. Army Corps of Engineers of the Philadelphia region. I'm also pleased to recognize the following distinguished guests: Dr. Susan Aldridge, Senior Vice President, Online Learning, and President, Drexel University Online; Dr. Brian Blake, Executive Vice President and Provost; Dr. Stephen Cox, Director of Greater Philadelphia Region, Louis Stokes, Alliance for Minority Participation; Dr. John DiNardo, Senior Vice Provost for Academic Affairs and Undergraduate Education; Dr. Adam Fontecchio, Vice Dean of Graduate College; Dr. Julie Mostov, Senior Vice Provost for Global Initiatives; and Dr. Alistair Saunders, Senior Vice Provost for Research. A number of Drexel graduates each year participate in ROTC and receive their commissions in the armed forces. We acknowledge this service and that of these students, as well as their family, friends, and professors. I ask that everyone in this auditorium who is a member of the armed forces or a veteran stand to receive recognition for your service. President Fry, Provost Blake, I'm pleased to announce that the members of the College of Engineering faculty and administration are assembled with the students whom they have taught, mentored, and recommended for academic degrees. Today, we have over 800 bachelor, master, and PhD graduates from 7 departments. Civil, environmental, and architectural engineering. Where are you? Material science and engineering. Engineering technology, engineering management studies, electrical and computer engineering, chemical and biological engineering, and the Department of Mechanical Engineering and Mechanics. You're an impressive group of young men and women who hail to us from all over the country and the world. Our youngest graduate today is 19 years old. And we have numerous veterans of the U.S. Armed Forces graduating today. Because of you, our future is bright. We, the faculty, are very proud of your accomplishments, perhaps as proud as your families are, because after spending many years with you and seeing you flourish intellectually, professionally, and personally, we consider you our family. And for me, one of you is really family. My daughter Luisa graduates today from chemical engineering. And it seems only yesterday that 5 years ago, she and her friends Ashraf, Kimmy, and Lauren, all graduating today, were part of a freshman design team in my class that was going to revolutionize the construction of guitars using high-performance carbon fiber composites. 5 years later, as undergraduates, you have all completed impressive senior design projects, many of which have real industrial promise. You have taken countless courses. You've been tested, prodded, challenged in many ways, and you have succeeded. And despite the countless hours spent on problem sets and projects, you have found time for other endeavors. Impressively, some of you have participated at the highest levels of collegiate athletics. You have begun to hone entrepreneurial skills, founding new companies and developing new technologies. And as graduates, you have dedicated time to conduct research with our faculty and graduate students. You have reinforced the spirit of Drexel through countless hours of community service, giving locally to this great city of Philadelphia, and globally in places like Nicaragua, Ecuador, to participation in activities like Engineers Without Borders and the medical brigades, you have impressed us. Allow me to just briefly address the PhD graduates with us today. Most likely, you have just completed the most intellectually transformative experience in your lives. Cherish this experience in which you have worked tirelessly, focused deeply on a singular problem under the mentorship of your distinguished advisors. Working on a single project for 4 or 5 years is likely not to happen again in your lifetimes, though it is from the point of view of a mentor if you pursue an academic career, one in which maybe you'll be mentoring some of our graduating undergraduates today. With your work, you have pushed the boundaries of knowledge, published in the most prestigious journals, and in many cases, your work has been translational, directly impacting industry and society. You and your mentors have given Drexel great recognition, and I applaud you. As engineers, we define and help to solve societal challenges ranging from global sustainability in relation to energy, water, food, health, to security challenges involving our infrastructure, wireless communications, and things like the Internet of Things, or IoT. It is truly an exciting time to be an engineer. The accelerating pace of innovation and development and insertion of potentially disruptive technologies provide the tools for change. Robots and automated vehicles, additive manufacturing, ambient computing and augmented reality, clean energy. These can all be part of solutions to our challenges, but they pose risks as well. You have the chance to identify and address these societal challenges. Go do it. We hope that this incubator of opportunity, known as Drexel's College of Engineering, has helped to spark your imagination, kindle your curiosity, and express your creativity. As you graduate, the opportunities before you are much bigger. Use your imagination, curiosity, and creativity to innovate and plan for your future. Follow your plans with integrity, defining the value you wish to add to this world and the good you wish to do, and you will be successful. So now, go out and show us. Soar like the dragons you are. May fortune and happiness accompany you on your journey. Congratulations, class of 2017.